Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life. And guess what? It is club time. What does club time mean? It means that there is a brand new stamp and die set coming to club members around the world. It's on its way to you, or they are on their way to you, depending on if you're in the Stamp Club or the Die Hard Club. Now, if you're not in the club, you're going, what is this woman talking about? Well, let me tell you, the club is awesome. And every month, I release a brand new stamp set and die set on the first of every month. So it must mean it's a new month because I have a new club set to share with you. Are you ready for this? It is called Sloths to Stamp. And I designed this set for my daughter, Katie. Katie is 22, but ever since she was a little girl, she has been in love with sloths. Literally in love with them. And so recently, actually not recently, it was about a little more than a year ago, she said, we need a sloth stamp. I need a sloth stamp. And I finally was able to get it on the schedule. And let me tell you, this is adorable. I love this little guy. So we have a lot of different words in here. We have hang in there, let's hang out, don't worry, be happy, wishing you a chill birthday, I like you a sloth. Then we have two fun branches and some little leaves, and we have two little sloths. Now, of course you know me, and you know this is not enough space for me. I did make a companion set, so make sure you go check out that companion set as well, and the fun fold it card as well. Well, of course, there's dies that match, because you know that I love dies that match stamps. And here we have the branches, the leaves. I actually even threw in an extra die set of the leaves because I'm worried we're going to lose them. I know you and I know me and I know we're going to lose some of those, so I added an extra set. And we have those cute little sloths. Now, I can't wait to share my samples with you. But, club members, of course, you're getting a postcard, idea postcard as well. And there's an idea gallery on our website. Now, club members, you know Ken gets up extra early. And he gets up and he goes through everything. He gets the shipments out there and he mails them. Guess what? This has not happened in almost the history of the Stamps of Life in more than 10 years. I am sending out the shipment this time. What are you talking about? Yeah, right? Okay, here's the deal. I'm going to show you my samples in just a minute. Here's the deal. As you know, my daughter Kirsten is pregnant with twins, and I am not traveling until the twins are born. The mommies and the grandmas out there know that this is the most important thing in the world, and I have to be within half an hour distance of her at all times because since she's with twins, we don't know when she's going to have these babies. And sadly, she's having some issues, so we got to stay close. So I am not able to travel. Ken is going to be traveling on club day. He's going to be in Boise, Idaho. Usually I would be traveling with him and he'd fly home early to do the club shipments, but he's not going to be there because he has to stay in Idaho. So guess who's going to do the club shipments? Luckily, Ken has secured some help. One of his friends is going to help me. Can you imagine me lifting all of these? I don't know how this is going to happen, but it's going to be fun. And you know what? They will be guaranteed to be sent out on the 1st. Don't you worry. I will do whatever it takes to make sure they'll actually be in the mail before lunch. That's my goal. I can do it. I know I can. Let me show you my samples. So here's a cute one, and you guys are all going to be saying, Stephanie, hang in there. You can do it. Hang in there. That is absolutely right. I'm going to get it done. I'm going to show Ken that I can do this. Don't worry. Don't worry. We got this. Especially with his friend Jesse's help. Okay, look at this one. Now remember I mentioned that tree fold it? Go check out the other video. It is available now. But look at how perfect my little sloth hangs from that tree. I just love him. I want him to be a stuffed animal. I don't think I want him to be real because I think they're sometimes mean. But I want him to be a stuffed animal because then he could hug me. Then I could just wear him. He could just we could take his little arms and we could put like Velcro on them and I could just wear him. I think that would be a good idea. Okay, here's a cute one. I love how you can make him different colors. You don't have to make him, brown or black or gray, whatever colors you want. Oh, here's a cute one holding balloons. And it looks like he's flying through the air like Pooh Bear does. Isn't that adorable? Now, club members, as I mentioned, I will get those club shipments in the mail to you on the 1st. Don't worry, that's a guarantee. And if you're not in the club, you need to join because you know what? You are missing out. As my club members will tell you, it is the best club in town. You cannot beat the discounts. You cannot beat the freebies. You cannot beat the new club points, which are even better. And we even offer A new thing also, well, the club points are the newest thing. We're always trying to update and add more and more benefits for the same price, of course. Another benefit is the golden tickets. Now, I know we put those golden tickets in every shipment. We do X amount. And sometimes we don't hear from people. I think they don't understand. But trust me, if you ever got one, it's big. It's like postcard size. And it says on it, golden ticket. And you could get a $10 or a $15 gift certificate to our website. They mix and match the numbers. I think they even go up to $25 gift certificates. Hello, is that awesome? And the club points. Now you are getting club points just for being in the club. Every month, around the middle of the month, boom, some club points are going to show up in your account. Wow! I know, isn't that awesome? And when you order on the website, which is even more exciting, and when you order at the conventions that we travel to. I know, we just keep adding more and more fun stuff because you know what? Why not? Because when you own the company, you can do whatever you want. And I said, my club members need a club point system. So boom, there you go. Isn't that exciting? Thank you so much. Thank you so much to my club members. Thank you so much to those of you that are considering the club because you're going to love it and you don't want to miss out. And I think that's it. Go check out the website. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.